front access line to one of the haunted houses. So we're headed over there now. Turn the camera around. Doing the Halloween Horror Nights 28 event again. We were here doing a VIP questions and answers, like a not behind the stage thing, but where you get to actually ask questions, and it was kind of pretty neat. And then they escort you into your very first house. So we did that. We've already done 3 haunted houses since we've been there, so I apologize for not doing an intro letting you know that we were here. So this is going to be the beginning of the film, even though that we've already been walking around. So we've, like I said, done 3 houses. We're probably going to actually do a few more. We did Poltergeist house, we did the Carnival and Stranger Things. Yeah. Now,
no, we did 2 Stranger Things.
Yeah, we did. We got Stranger Things done. They were right all next to each other. So if you don't know, in the Carnival house, there are 2 red buttons that we've learned in the questions and answers thing today. And if you push those red buttons during, they squirt water to the person behind you or sometimes in front of you. So that's pretty neat. Look out for it. If you do the Carnival house, look out for the red buttons and push them. You know, you'll have some fun. All right, so with that said, we are going to probably do a couple of updates and probably just walk around the park and do some haunted attractions. I don't know how much we're actually going to film because we're kind of here just enjoying ourselves. Not really here to put together a video. So this will probably be very short. So what we're going to do is, considering our anniversary of our channel is coming up very, very shortly. To be honest with you, it was actually the 26th of the month. So the 26th of the month was our 1-year anniversary for the Theme Park Junkies being on YouTube. So we want to say thank you, everybody that's been watching us since the beginning. And so we wanted to kind of give you a little something. And what that is we want to tell you a couple of secrets about Universal Studios and Busch Gardens that not so many people talk about. And these secrets is when you actually come to the park, whether you're here from the United States, you're a past member, or you're coming in from another country, and you're going to stay for a while, we recommend that you buy the souvenir cup. Now, the souvenir cup, yes, is $15, but what this is going to allow you to do is you're going to be able to drink unlimited, as much as you want.
For that day. For
that day, and then when you come back the very next day, a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you can reactivate the cup for $8. And then that's unlimited refills for that entire day once again. Now, it's not just for soda. These red big Coke machines around these parks, all the amusement parks, they serve up water, Gatorade, Powerade. Actually, I think it's just Powerade, not Gatorade, because it has to be a Coke product. But if it's a Coke product, it will be inside that machine. Iced tea, lemonades, you name it, it's in there. So that's one of our tricks and tips on how to save money when you come to the park. Tip number 2 is they offer at some of the parks all-day dining passes. Universal, not as good as Busch Gardens. Busch Gardens offers that same kind of cup, so you will want to do that deal, and the popcorn bucket. If you buy a popcorn bucket for $10, or actually no, I think it's like $6 now, something like that. That allows you to get refills inside that bucket for basically $1. So 99 cents, you can have a snack every time you come to the park. The bucket, the cups, none of them ever go bad. You don't have to actually buy any kind of refill package for the bucket of popcorn. You just walk up, refill it, it's $1. The cups, you do have to reactivate every time you come in.
Or you can buy it $1 per refill.
And I have another tip. This is tip number 3, and I'm going to end on this one. if you are coming from another country and you are coming here to stay, do not buy bottled water. It is between $3 and $5 for a bottle of water. Simply walk up, ask for a cup of ice water. It's free. No sense in buying bottled water when you can drink it for free. And if you buy one of those cups, water is also free. So, those are my 3 tips to saving money when you come to the theme park. That's our little thank you for watching our channel for 1 year. So, without further ado, guys, we're gonna wander around the park. I might shoot a little bit more video, and of course I'll do an ending. So let's see what else we can get into. One more thing while we're walking around, and I did remember, because it is the theme park's anniversary, in preparation for the last week and a half now, basically, we have been giving away free merchandise. So if you find us in the parks, simply walk up, say hello, and get something for free. It could be a lanyard, it could be a wristband, it could be anything. Sometimes it could be a free pass to go to a theme park. You never know. We don't always have a lot of stuff on us, but sometimes we do. So, hit and miss. You know you're at least going to get some kind of gift when you bump into us. It might not be a big gift, but you will definitely get something. Alright guys, well, we're in the back of the park over here where it would have been Fear Factor, and if you are not familiar with our channel, or if you do not watch all of them, last week or 2 weeks ago when we were here, we actually filmed the Academy of Villains. So if you click right here, I will put an attachment and you'll be able to watch that full show, non-edited. Very good show, might add. I would check it out.
Welcome guys, come on down to the Blumhouse, right through here. Welcome guys, enjoy.
Pardon me. Alright guys, so we are entering into Blumhouse, and from the looks of things, we're like almost walking on to most of the haunted houses. It was a 5-minute wait for Blumhouse. We've been getting 15-minute waits and 30-minute waits at most. Yeah, so for being like a Saturday night, kind of strange that it's not all that entirely busy. Like we were saying, 15 minutes to get into one house. It said 30 minutes. I think we got in 20. Another house, it was actually a walk right in. This house, 5 minutes, so pretty much from what I can see, it's gonna be a walk-in. There's nobody in the queue. If you watch my previous video, we were in queue lines for up to an hour at one point. So, yeah, I don't know what to say. I mean, for being Saturday night, I don't see a need for a fast pass.
We'll be done in 2 hours.
Yeah, I mean, literally now we've been in the park for going on 2 hours or something like that.
6.
And that was with doing a Q&A VIP tour, and still are just blasting through the houses here. So I don't know, kind of weird.
Oh no.
Hi guys.
He likes you.
So we're in the Chucky scare zone, and just right back there, they actually put in a new prop that I filmed. It was like a operation. So that was pretty neat. We're actually headed over here towards the front of the park. We're probably going to be signing off here. So listen, guys, we came just to have fun today. We did a little filming, showed you some new things that they got in the park, gave you some updates, and we are celebrating our anniversary here for the theme park Junkies. So, hope you enjoyed our anniversary video. Thanks for sticking around for a whole entire year with us. We look forward to another year of great videos. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, jump over to Facebook. Also, we got Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. You can find us somewhere.
Anywhere.
So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And until next time, we'll see you at the theme parks. Good night, guys. Bye. Alright, we're gonna do Poltergeist House first.